Hello student, I am Dr. Chaudhary S.C. from Department of Microbiology, Venkatesh Mahajan Senior College, Usmanabad. I welcome you again to my channel Learn Microbiology. In this video, I am going to talk about a portion from air microbiology, which is subtopic of the environmental microbiology. So let us talk about air microbiology. The points to be covered during this video are definition of the air, layers of the atmosphere, composition of the air, and distribution of microorganisms in the air. Now let us see what is the definition of air. Air is nothing but the outer gaseous envelope around the earth, and it forms a part of atmosphere. A gaseous envelope around the earth which forms part of atmosphere. The atmosphere is typically characterized by high light intensity, extreme temperature variations, low amount of organic matter, and insufficiency of available water, and therefore it is not a suitable media for the growth of microorganism, and therefore the air is not a suitable growth media for the microorganism. However, a considerable amount of microorganisms are found in the lower region of the atmosphere. Now let us see what are the layers of the atmosphere. 4 layers are there. This is our Mother Earth, followed by a layer of troposphere which extends up to the 12 km. Next to it is stratosphere, extended from 12 km to 50 km, which is followed by mesosphere, which is extended up to 50 to 80 km, and last one is the thermosphere, which is above the 80 km. Among these 4 layers, troposphere, which is the nearest layer of the earth, characterized by the heavy load of microorganism. These are the 4 layers. Now let us see what is the composition of the air. We know air is the gaseous envelope around earth. It consists of mixture of permanent gases: nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, neon, krypton, ozone. These are the permanent gases found in the air with constant concentration. But the concentration of water and solid particle is variable. The nitrogen particularly 78%, oxygen 20%, argon 0.9%, carbon dioxide 0.03%, hydrogen 0.01%, and other gases like neon, krypton, helium are 0.005% are constantly found in atmosphere. Ozone, water vapor, and dust particle are found in variable amount. Then also the gaseous content, vapor pressure, and suspender matter are not constant in the air. Now last point is the distribution of microorganism in air. Air does not have its own microflora, being not a good environment for the growth of microflora. The microorganisms that are added in the air from various sources, mostly the spore former and spores, constitute air microflora. This microflora is dominated by spores of fungi, especially Alternaria, Cladosporium, Penicillium, and Aspergillus. Air also includes spores of bacteria such as Bacillus and Clostridium, ascospores of yeast, fragments of mycelia, and spores of modes and Streptomycetes, pollens, protozoan cyst, algae, micrococci, and corynebacteria. So this is the common microflora of the air. But in certain cases, hospital air may contain pathogenic microorganisms, particularly respiratory tract diseases such as tubercle bacillus, streptococci, pneumococci, or staphylococcus. The current pandemic causative agent COVID-19 causative agent coronavirus is also found as a air constituent in the contaminated air. So this is about the definition, composition and distribution of the microorganism in the air. Hope you understand the point covered during the video. If you have any doubt, mention it in comment section. Thank you for watching the video.